and welcome to Maths Activities with Dipandita Ganguly. Today we will learn to construct similar triangles. Let us take a question. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. In triangle ABC, given AB is equal to 5.5 cm, BC is equal to 6 cm, AC is equal to 4.5 cm. To construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that the ratio of the corresponding sides BC upon MN is 5 upon 4. Now, it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN. When two triangles are similar, their sides, corresponding sides are in proportion. So therefore, we will write AB upon LM is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN. And this ratio BC upon MN, it is given as 5 upon 4. So this will be 5 upon 4. This is because of corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now we will substitute the values that are given. AB is given as 5.5. So I will write 5.5 upon LM is equal to BC. BC is 6. So 6 upon MN is equal to AC. AC is 4.5 upon LN. And these ratios are each ratio is equal to 5 upon 4. Now because each ratio is equal to 5 upon 4, what we will do is we will write each ratio. 5.5 upon LM will be 5 upon 4. 6 upon MN will be 5 upon 4. And 4.5 upon LN will also be equal to 5 upon 4. Now in this manner we can calculate the length of the sides of triangle LMN. We will cross multiply. We will get 5.5 multiplied by 4 equal to 5 into LM. Therefore 5.5 into 4 upon 5 is equal to LM. Dividing 1.1. So 4.4 is equal to LM. So one side of triangle LMN, that is LM side, we have obtained as 4.4. Similarly, we will calculate the other sides. Again, we will cross multiply here. So 6 into 4 is equal to 5 into MN. 6 4s are 24. Divided by 5 is equal to MN. Therefore, dividing we will get 4.8 equal to MN. So we get the second side of the triangle LMN. Now to calculate the third side LN, again we will cross multiply. So 4.5 into 4 is equal to 5 into LN. Therefore, 4.5 into 4 upon 5 is equal to LN. Dividing, we will get 0.9. That is 3.6 is equal to LN. So, in this manner, we can calculate given the three sides of triangle ABC, we can calculate the three sides of triangle LMN. Now, we know all the three sides of triangle ABC as well as triangle LMN. So, the next step is to construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN. So, what we will do is first we will write down the three sides which we have calculated of triangle ABC given and of triangle LMN which we have calculated. So, I will rub the board and I will write the sides so that we can draw the triangle. So here for triangle ABC, it is given that AB is equal to 5.5 centimeter BC is equal to 6 centimeter. AC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And for triangle LMN, we have calculated LM to be equal to 4.4 centimeter, MN to be equal to 4.8 centimeter, and LN to be equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now let us draw the two similar triangles. For that, what we will do is, first we will take AB equal to 5.5 centimeter. So here I will take 5.5 centimeter. AB 5.5 centimeter. Then BC 6 centimeter. So in my compass, I will take 6 centimeter in my compass. BC. So from B, I will take 6 centimeter in my compass and draw an arc. Then AC is 4.5. So I will take 4.5 in my compass again. 4.5. And from A, because AC is 4.5, from A, I will cut the previously drawn arc. So this point is our point C. We will join these points AC and BC. This is our triangle ABC, where AB is 5.5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, and AC is 4.5 centimeter. Next, we have to draw triangle LMN, which is similar to triangle ABC. For that LM, we have to take 4.4 centimeter. Again, we will take 4.4 centimeter LM. 4.4 centimeter. Then MN 4.8. In our compass, we will take 4.8 centimeter. MN from M, 4.8 centimeter from M. We will draw an arc. LN 3.6 centimeter. So we will take 3.6 centimeter, and from L we will cut the previously drawn arc. We will mark this point as N. Then we will join LN and NM. So this is our triangle LMN. LM 4.4 centimeter, MN 4.8 centimeter, LN 3.6 centimeter. So this is how, in this manner, we can draw similar triangles given all the three sides. Thank you.